welcome back to another video. In today's video I've got a Umikk set to swatch. This is a 6-piece kit. As always, you get your instruction booklet in the top. They come packaged like this. This is called the Charming Chameleon set. So you get 7.5ml glass bottles. These are $15.99 on Amazon. They're available on the UK Amazon. They're also available in the EU. What I shall do, guys, I shall leave the link for Umikk's store on Amazon in my description box below. So you get 5 chameleon colours and you get the black, because these chameleon gel polishes need to be applied over a black. But I am going to show you in this video, guys, they don't have to be applied over a black. And that is what I like about this set. It's like having 2 sets in one. You've got the chameleon over the black, but then you've also got like shimmery gel polishes if you was just to apply them by themselves. So I'm going to show you them being swatched both ways today, guys. Now these gel polishes are made from natural resin, LED UV cured, long lasting. On the box you've got the ingredients, the instructions, storage note, manufacturer, and the address, which I really like. So I'm just going to get on and swatch these, guys, because like I say, I'm going to be swatching them twice. I have done a few previous Umikk swatch videos now, so what I'll do is I shall leave my first ever Umikk swatch video at the end of this video. So if you want to go over and check that one out, you'll find I provided a lot more information about the gel polishes. So if you want a bit more information on them, like I say, I shall leave the link to that video at the end of this one. So let's get on and swatch, shall we? I think I'm going to start off by swatching them over black first. Now, luckily for me, instead of having to swatch them all first with the black, I've got black swatch sticks, so I'm going to use these. I've already pre-buffed these, so I'm not going to base coat them, guys, because it's just a waste of product, I think, when you're swatching them. So the first one is Umikk U112. Ooh, look at this. How pretty is that? Wow. I was not expecting that. That is gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Wow. That is stunning. Look at the colour shift. Ooh, I can't wait to try the rest. So I'm going to cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then we've got Umikk colour U113. Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning. U114. Oh my goodness. Wow. That really confused the brain. Like, I thought that was going to be a pink. Like, would you not have thought that was going to be a pink? but it's like a greeny gold. Wow, look at that. Oh, I think I've just found my favourite one. Look at that. It's like a purple to blue. Wow. Look at that. That is definitely got to be my favourite. Then last up is U116. Oh, now I don't know. Now I'm not so sure I found my favourite. I think this actually could be my favourite. So now I'm going to use the Umikk No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to apply a coat of that to all 5 swatch sticks. Although this set doesn't come with a top coat, guys, you'll see there I've put a picture in the top right hand corner of the screen. The top coat is available to buy as a set for $8.99. I love this shiny top coat. It leaves the nails looking like glass for weeks. So I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. So there we are, guys. Look at that colour. Look how shiny that top coat is as well. I love their top coat. It's my favourite top coat. So like I normally do, I'm going to apply the Umikk matte top coat on the bottom half of all of them, so you can see what they look like, shiny and matte. And once I've done that on all 5 nails, we shall go and take a look at them. So now I'm going to try the Umikk black gel polish, what comes in the set, U117. We'll give that a swatch and see what that's like. So that's after the first coat. Now let's try it with 2 coats. That is with 2 coats. So there we are, guys. That's them all had 2 coats, and that is them over a black, obviously. So I've applied the shiny top coat on the top half and the matte on the bottom half. I mean, the matte top coat takes away the glitteriness of them, but it still looks really cool. I actually really like the matte, but I am a little bit biased because I do love matte nails. But how pretty are they, guys? I absolutely love them. And I've not got anything like this. Nothing like this in my collection, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, that's them over a black. Now I'm going to try them over clear tips and see what they look like by themselves. How pretty is that? Super pretty. That is so pretty. So there we are, guys. Look at these. Oh my days. I love them. Wow. Now I've given these 2 coats and then applied a coat of the shiny top coat on the top half and the matte top coat on the bottom half. Really, really like them. Now with these, you could have them like that, and I suggest 2 coats would be best like this, but you could also use them as a topper over a colour. So if you was to use them over a topper, you'd get away with 1 coat, but I really like them over the clear. I really, really like them. Look at the colour shift, guys. Wow, love them. Now I can't decide whether they are my favourite or how they're intended to be used as chameleons over a black are my favourite. I cannot decide. Which are your favourite, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I like both ways. I really cannot decide which I like best. They're just wow. I can't even pick a favourite colour even. They're just all really, really pretty in their own right. Love them. And the black gel polish as well, that's after 2 coats. And I like that they put the black gel polish in as well, because I don't like to mix brands. If I'm using the Umikk Chameleon gel polishes, I don't want to use a black from a different brand. So I do like that they include the black in it as well. Really, really happy with them. Love them. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, I shall leave a link to Umikk's Amazon store in my description box below. So if you want to go over and check them out, you can do. They also do other sets as well. They've got a really great choice of gel polishes. I'm really enjoying using these at the moment. As you've probably already noticed, I have been using their gel polishes a lot in my videos just lately, because they're just a really nice gel polish to work with. Love them. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.